Hello, this is Blake Smith from Memphis, Tennessee in the United States, and this is my CS50P final project for the year 2023. My project is called Chomp, and it is based roughly on the American mathematician David Gale's game, named similarly, that expresses the idea of determinacy in two-player games. So if I go ahead and run it here, it asks for a first player name that could only be 3 digits, all being alphabetical, and a second player's name. And then you pick a board width and size, also checking if it's within the bounds. So then it presents you with a screen where 0s are chocolate pieces you could take, 1 are eaten, and 2 is the poison piece. So if at any point you're required to take the poison piece, you lose the game. So for example, if first player or BLR picks the area 2, so column 2, row 2, click enter, he'll eat everything above and to the right as well as the piece he takes. If the second character tries to take that place, it will reprompt them because it's been eaten already. So play goes back and forth until there is only the poison piece remaining, in which case that person is required to eat it, and then they lose, printing out the winner and the loser of the game. So the code was pretty straightforward. I have the main while loop for the game to continue to prompt and increase the round count. I have an initial input to get the size of the map, and to initialize the map into an array using the functions from NumPy. I have another function called player move, in which case it asks for the location in the column and row, checks if it's appropriate, and then eats all the pieces above and to the right of it. This continues until someone has eaten the area with the 2 in it, in which case it ends the game and tells you who wins and who loses.